Do you want to see and hear about the DC Comics 2025 Black Canary Best of the Best 6-issue comic book series? Presented on a chronological series of covers and up to a few related interior pages for each issue, along with information about the action going on in each issue. If so, watch this video. For issue number 1, The Match of the Millennium. It's Black Canary, a female superhero, versus Lady Shiva, a female superhero and villain, to determine who is the single greatest hand-to-hand fighter in the universe. Who will walk away with the title? Find out as writer Tom King and artist Ryan Sook go 6 rounds to see if our hero has what it takes to be the best of the best. For issue number 2, after a disastrous first round, Black Canary takes to her corner and her coach. How could she ever prepare herself for a match against Lady Shiva? The answer is simple. Mother knows best. The original Black Canary is back and ready to train her daughter for the fight of both of their lives. For issue number 3, victory seems assured for the vicious Lady Shiva. Can anything turn the tide of this match? Plus, the Dark Knight detective drops in on Canary's training to sway her from the fight. For issue number 4, The Canary Cries. Black Canary has survived the coal mine and is ready to fight back against her opponent. Will the defeat of her corner man, Ted Grant, aka Wildcat, be enough to bring the fight back? For issue number 5, a deal with an immortal devil could be the answer to everyone's troubles. Or is Vandal Savage more trouble than he's worth? Meanwhile, Shiva and Canary fight to a standstill. Could the only end to this battle be death? For issue number 6, the final round. With both fighters on the ropes and unwilling to surrender, the end seems as far away as Canary's past. Can she find a way to make her mother proud and still save her from an untimely demise? Find out as the last punches land. In the near future, do you want a live-action TV show or a live-action movie made about Black Canary? If so, is there an actress that you want cast as Black Canary? And if so, who? Now, onto a quick review of 4 thumbnails of other recent Comic Excitement Convention videos that you may enjoy. Sheena, Queen of the Jungle, 2021 to 2022. Origin and TV movie info. Warlord of Mars, 2010 to 2011. Edgar Rice Burroughs creation. Titans United, Donna Troy, Starfire, and more. Covers pages and story. Supergirl, No Affection for Earth. And 2014 Red Lantern version. More videos like this one, short and longer, can be viewed at the Comic Excitement Convention Female Superhero Hero playlist. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notifications bell.